This is your sign to make your own belly shot at home, part 2. You guys love the last belly shot, here's another one. I have one every morning after breakfast. You need to try this juice. This juice helps the lower blood pressure, blood sugar regulation, weight loss, rich in vitamins and fiber, supports digestive system, boosts immune system, help regulate periods. Start with 2 or 3 little pieces of ginger, 3 small lemons, 1 apple, 1 beet, 1 cucumber. Next, remove the peel. This is optional, but I removed. Actually, I don't like bitter taste, so. We're gonna blend with 1 cup of distilled water. Make sure to blend well. Once again, you're gonna strain it. Into your jars. I bought these jars from Amazon. Make sure your jars have lid, refrigerate, and drinks throughout the week. Bye!